In this video, we will see code implementation. Now let's quickly check the code implementation of our subtree problem. So this code will be again JavaScript. I will write where is subtree is equals to function. I will write the root and subroot. Okay. Now first condition, if my subroot is equals to null, I'll simply return true, because if it is null, that means null is like, if null is subtree of all the trees always. Okay. If a root is null, right, and you are coming to this if condition, that means the upper one is false. Okay, then I will return false. Okay, if now what I will do, I will call my same function, right? So let's change the name of that function. I will say that suppose is identical, right? So I will check is it identical or not, right? And I will pass the root and subroot, right? If it is identical, what I will do, I will return true. Okay, if it is not identical, what I will do, I will check for the other possibilities, right? So I will call return is subtree, right? Is subtree with the value of root dot left and subroot. Okay, this will be my function call with the left value only, right? Now same thing what I will do with the right ones. Let me copy the same. Right. Okay. Subtree root dot left and root dot right. Okay. And yeah, this will be our basic code implementation. Now, what is this is identical function? Exactly same as our ACM tree, right? That we solved. So let me quickly write that is identical. Okay, I will give you with the P and Q, right? Because we have understood with the P and Q. Again, if both P is equals to null and Q is equals to null, what I will return? I will simply return true. Okay. Then I will return if my P is equals to null or Q is equals to null. Then I will return false. Okay, because that means 1 is 2, 1 is Q is null or P is null. If both the values is not equal, then also I will return false. Okay, and otherwise I will check with the end condition. So is identical, and I will pass root dot left with Q dot left, not root dot left, it's P dot left and Q dot left. Okay, this I passed it. I will call the same function with right and adding an AND condition. So here it will be right. Okay, so yeah, this will be our code of it, right? Is subtree. Okay, so this is a code implementation. In the next video, I will give you a dry run of the code. Okay, so basically how the function calling will happen, right? So in the next video, we'll see the dry run.